Hi, my name is Robert Hansen. I'm taking Art 234, Human Anatomy, and this is my chapbook. In this video I will be discussing it along with showing the pictures. So first of all, what inspired this? I would say it was my concern for the environment and man's impact, or humans' impact on the environment. If we're living in an age where the extinction rate of animals is ridiculous, and so if I could educate people on all of the different animals that are out there, not all of them, but some of them, maybe more people are likely to care. In this, it contains drawings with a little bit of a summary, and I'll be going through each page individually. All of these are hand-drawn. Okay, so the book is called The Big Book of Amazing Birds for Humans. Page 1, budgies. And I have scanned these too, so you should be able to follow along if you want, or if you want to look at a detailed picture, you can. But anyway, the first pages are of budgies in it. Budgies make very good companions for humans. They are small birds and very easy to maintain. All of the birds in these, or most of them anyway, are very human-friendly birds. All of them except for the last couple, but they do interact with humans. I'll be going through that. Cockatiels. Cockatiels are extremely social, they're easy to care for, and they make an outstanding first pet. Cockatoos. Cockatoos, like their parrot counterparts, have very colorful personalities. They enjoy being with humans as much as possible. Parrotlets. This bird also makes for a great companion, but can be easily jealous. It's best not to have any other birds. Hyacinth macaws. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. The hyacinth macaw is friendly, outspoken, and highly intelligent. They prefer living in pairs and can live up to 50 years. The African gray parrot. African gray parrots are the most popular of the parrot family. They are known to mimic human behavior, so watch what you do around them. And also another note, there are two drawings within one. One of them shows interaction with human, and then the other one shows their natural habitat, them interacting with their natural habitat. So I wanted to say that. The lovebird. Lovebirds rise at first light to eat, drink, and start with a noisy concerto. They will usually settle down by mid-morning and then resume their noise-making by late afternoon. This is the lovebird. Here's another lovebird. Doves. White doves are normally symbolic of peace. However, don't let this fool you, because they can be quite aggressive toward humans when protecting their territory. Eagles. Because of their fierce demeanor and large size, they are known throughout the world as a symbol of power and grace. However, due to human impact, their population has dwindled. Falcons. Some falcons prey on mice, so they can be very beneficial to humans. With that said, falcons are very territorial and will utilize their razor-sharp talons in defense. And that's it. That wraps up this video for covering the Big Book of Amazing Birds for Humans. Thank you for listening.